Well, the time has come to hand the keys back to the landlord. We're finally moving out. We're going to shut everything down, pull this desk apart, and move to a new location. But I'm going to leave my mark. I'm going to laser cut this, the very last project for the laser cutter on this site. I've been here since 2015. So 11 years. So let's leave our mark. Alright, it's time for the last ever project in this workshop. Tomorrow we get the keys, all of this stuff's going. Although in truth it'll probably take about a week. Many projects have been in here, many more will show up again. But for now, a sheet of this material, I'm going to program up a job. Okay, new plaque. Been here since late 2015 to mid 2026, and it says, "Please take care of the magpies. We're gonna miss them."